Hi everyone, I'm Joe, part of the team here at Affordable Comfort, and today I'm excited to showcase the RunTru A952V gas furnace, a reliable, efficient heating system that delivers unmatched comfort and energy savings for your home. The RunTru A952V features a sleek, modern design that not only looks great, but is built for durability. Designed and assembled right here in North America by Trane, it reflects a commitment to quality that you can trust. For you, this means a furnace that's built to last, delivering long-term reliability and performance. Now let's take a look inside. One of the key features is the variable speed blower motor. This advanced technology adapts to your home's heating needs, providing consistent warmth and improved airflow. For you, this means fewer temperature fluctuations, enhanced comfort, and lower energy bills. The stainless steel primary and secondary heat exchangers are engineered for maximum efficiency and corrosion resistance. They ensure that you get the most out of every fuel cycle. For you, this means dependable warmth, fewer repairs, and significant energy savings over the long term. With an exceptional 96% efficiency rating, the A952V is designed to convert nearly all of the fuel it uses into heat for your home. For you, this means lower heating bills, a smaller environmental impact, and more money in your pocket. Pair this furnace with a smart thermostat, such as this Ecobee, and you'll have complete control over your home's comfort and energy use. For you, this means staying cozy while keeping your heating costs in check. At Affordable Comfort, we're here to make upgrading your home's heating system simple and stress-free. The RunTru A952V gas furnace combines sleek design, exceptional efficiency, and the trusted reliability of Trane. Ready to upgrade? Call us today or visit our website. We'd love to make your home even more comfortable. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.